Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. Windows 10 phrasing means lagging, hang, very slow. So how to fix? Restart automatically. So firstly guys, you change your resolution, system's resolution. So right click to show more and display setting, display resolutions. So there are resolutions, so you can try the different resolutions. So be carefully because you click 1152 and you just directly click to uh, keep changes. So this resolutions yours not support your monitor, so not coming display. Okay, so this is very important. And then if you're using laptop, desktop, so please download latest driver of the display and then run. How to download? Open Chrome browser, type your motherboard name, and then type driver and then enter, download display driver and then run, and then restart. If you're using laptop, so enter your laptop name, then download type driver and then type those type of websites like Asus, HP, Lenovo, Dell, and then download driver. Okay, and one more thing guys, you open file manager, right click, show more, properties, scroll down, advanced setting, performance setting, you just click to best performance and then apply and then okay, then close it. Cancel all. And one more guys, this is very important, go to control panel. And do you know what is which one what is the software has installed your system? Unwanted software please uninstall, because they not services is not properly, let's say it's a computer is freezing, so please check one by one. And if you don't want to any software, so you just uninstall, just check and then click to uninstall. Okay guys, let's do all step. Have coming any issue, so just comment me.